Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is November 4th. Still a lot of back and forth as far as the grains. Corn down a penny and 3/4. Beans up 2.5 cents with wheat down 4. So giving back some of the gains that we had seen yesterday, but still probably going to see a lot of this back and forth because we're range bound right now for corn, beans, and wheat for that matter. So look for us to remain in this range as we go into the USDA supply and demand report here next week. Now, that is going to be the primary focus of the trade as we get harvest that wraps up, and really lack of news. So that USDA report will be the primary focus for now. You did get some numbers released yesterday from Informa coming out at a 170.1 average corn yield. That's up from 168.4. And for beans, they raised the yield as well at 47.9. They were at 47.2. So they did go ahead and raise those estimates for the report here next week. I think a lot of the trade will be expecting to see some larger ending stock numbers due to that increase. Typically, we don't see any change for acreage at all on this report, and we're not expecting to see anything like that as well. So maybe limited changes, but they can come in and change this yield number now that harvest is pretty well wrapped up. So keep an eye on that. We'll see what happens as we get closer to that report, but any kind of strength right now might be met with some selling just due to the fact that we may end up getting larger ending stock numbers next week. So keep that in mind. Looking at livestock, cattle down 90 cents right now. We just opened. Box beef coming in a little lower. Choice down 121. Select down 220. No cash trades as of yet. No bids out there for me to tell you about. So still sitting patient as far as any cash movement. Hogs dropping again, down 30 cents. Technically, well, hogs are just in some trouble. So we're in this technical spiral right now for hogs. I do feel that hogs are probably undervalued, but you can't stand in the way of the trend. The trend right now is certainly lower. We're seeing that be affected. Cutout values dropping 193. You can't get in the way of that of the trend here. I feel that soon as we do put in a bottom, we could get another sharp rally out of hogs. But right now, there's not a lot of reasons to come into that market and to jump on the long side here as of yet. Stock market finding recovery today, bouncing again 67 higher. You got crude oil down 20 cents after a strong day yesterday, giving back a little bit here today. And then the dollar up 37 cents, remaining strong today, but it was down pretty good yesterday. So give us a call. If you got any questions, you can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or on the web at Allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.